Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor. If you're thinking about buying that cute Mofusand Cat plush, toy, or merch you've seen all over the internet, pause for a second. Is Mofusand really worth your money? Or is it just another overhyped online product? Let's find out in this honest review. Mofusand is a popular Japanese character brand featuring adorable chubby cats in quirky costumes. Think cats dressed like sharks, sushi, and even boba cups. These cute designs went viral on social media, and now online shops everywhere are selling Mofusand merch like plushies, phone cases, keychains, and even clothing. But here's the catch. Not all of these products are official. Show comparison between real versus fake Mofusand merch. Zoom in on product tags or differences. If you're buying from licensed stores like SanX Japan or trusted anime merch shops, you're likely getting an authentic product with quality stitching, soft materials, and accurate designs. But many websites and third-party sellers, especially on random ads and unknown websites, sell cheap knockoffs. These fakes may look okay in pictures, but in reality, they're smaller, poorly stitched, and made of low-quality fabric. Some buyers even reported receiving the wrong items, or nothing at all. Screenshots of real customer reviews or stars ratings. Verified buyers of authentic Mofusand products are generally happy. They mention soft plushies, adorable packaging, and even collectible tags. However, on scammy sites, people complain about late deliveries, fake tracking numbers, or items arriving damaged. If the price seems too good to be true, it probably is. Thumbs up/down animation, channel logo again. So is Mofusand worth it? Yes, if you're buying from official sources or trusted retailers. No, if you're grabbing it from sketchy discount sites or random ads. Do your research, always check reviews, and don't fall for cuteness traps. This is Online Scam Advisor, helping you shop smart and safe online. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've had an experience with Mofusand, good or bad. See you in the next video. Thank you.